First, add the baking soda. Half full.
Then take it out to make mud.
Now take it out to make mud.
Oh, look up for grasshoppers, please.
Are you?
Keep away from the sun.
Go under the tree.
So you pour water into the sand, make some mud, obviously.
Then you mix it up good so it's nice and mud-like.
But you can't have it too runny or you won't stick around your volcano. Then you start taking big squads of it and packing it gently around the volcano. But don't get inside or your baking soda won't work. It's just meant to be looking like a volcano.
I don't think your bottle is supposed to be tilting.
The bottle's not tilting, it's to help with the information. Oh, I'm gonna need a bit more mud, aren't I? You cover it all the way to the tip, so it looks like a volcano. But so, and now we're going to leave this out here and go inside. Really, dude. And there's a volcano thing. Take this for you. Yeah.
We're back, bye. We're back.
And hopefully it'll explode if I did it right.
Oh.
If I didn't,
Can't you still try again?
it's gonna be a failed attempt. But I'm gonna need to stir this so it works.
And so the lava's red.
Yes, that's the lava. Okay. We'll put the vanilla and come back in. First. Now we're gonna get this out. See if it works. Without the sand, that's we're going to wait for Slayton. If not, I'm going to fail miserably and be very sad because I wasted a good water bottle. So here we go.
Hopefully it should work.
Oh, it's working!
It is!
And there's the volcano.